Introducing Green Genius, a revolutionary way to optimize your gardening experience in Zone 6 with the power of artificial intelligence. You, I, and AI, it's a dream combo. Our AI-powered gardening encyclopedia genius has tips specifically for gardeners in Zone 6. We're all in this together, from cleaning up the garden to eradicating the pests. A moon planting calendar is included to help you time your planting and harvesting to coincide with the moon's phases for maximum success. Never miss a beat in the garden again with timely notifications and gardening tips. Join us and the power of AI to unlock the true potential of your garden. Don't miss out on this thrilling new gardening adventure. The first 12 people to comment this short will receive a free planting book from August 2023 to July 2024. Book available on July 1st, 2023, giving you plenty of time to read up and develop your inner green genius.